All right, here's an unboxing for Omni's Elevated Eye Serum with M007. I'm gonna break down what that is, all that good stuff. But when you buy this specific product, it is half an ounce. It is an eye serum. It's very, very lightweight. It's more lightweight than any other eye creams or serums I have found. Okay, so what is in this that makes it so effective is that it contains acetyl hexapeptide 3. Now, if you Google that, you're gonna find it in a lot of premier products, okay? The difference is that with the M007, that's an ingredient that Omni has a patent on, and it's a delivery system. So it takes those peptides, it's a synthetic peptide, and it delivers it right into the layers of skin that are most effective to help with collagen production, to help improve elasticity. This is also great for crepiness, dark circles. Like every eye cream has started essentially being an all-in-one. This treats everything, okay? But the difference is, the active ingredient needs to be able to get into a certain space in the skin, usually the dermis, in order to be effective, okay? So it's kind of like ordering a product online. If you don't have a truck to deliver it to your doorstep, what good is it, right? Think about that when you're purchasing products. You wanna know if there is if there's science behind how it gets into the skin. What are the ingredients? I'm Omni obsessed lately, especially in the last, 6 months to a year, mostly because they don't put any fillers in their products and they have the patent on the M007. So not only have I noticed the difference with the products, but my clients, okay? Their skin has just kind of leveled up. Now, I'm gonna pop this open. This is what it looks like if you buy your Elevated Eye Serum. They do have sustainable packaging. So this is what your eye serum is gonna look like when you pull it out. When you're due for a new one, you twist off the top, like so many of their other products, and then this is the cartridge you will repurchase, and it won't be quite as expensive. Screw this off, and then your new cartridge will be full of product. You'll put it back on. Make sure this is super secure before you pop it back into the glass container. If it's not pumping out, it's because you didn't get it secure before that, okay? And sometimes you need a new pump. All right, pop this open. And after you've cleansed your skin, you can use this morning and evening, okay? You're gonna do about a half pump. I'm gonna just pump it out. There we go. And then you're going to take your ring fingers. You can use whatever you want, but your ring fingers are just a little more gentle usually. Pop it between your ring fingers and then tap it under your orbital bone and up top. This has growth factors. And so growth factors are essentially, think of feeding your collagen to help it grow. The whole process of collagen production, it's like this domino effect. First you have to kickstart it, and then you have to feed it the right things, and your body does, this whole like gymnastics routine. And 90 days later, hopefully you have, firmer, thicker, juicier collagen, right? Okay, so this is gonna help with that. Tap, 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 tap. Now, let this soak in. You can put eye cream on top. If you tend to have really dark circles and nothing works, consider checking with your physician. It could be an iron deficiency, and oftentimes you just need some more sleep, okay? So do yourself a favor, carve out a little more sleepy time, okay? Now, I use this every morning and night. I do layer over top with eye cream, and I've done videos on some of my favorites, so check those out if you're interested, or tell me what you're using in the comments below. All right, I hope this video was of value to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and I'll catch you soon.